Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am posting my Outgoing Summer Vibes swap. This is Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic and myself. This is our second annual Summer Vibes swap. We co-host this swap to close out the summer and it is so much fun. This year we had so many entries. I am very excited. I was paired up with Raquel over at the Craft Caboose. I will be sure to link her channel down below, as well as Sharon's. Please be sure to check out all of the amazing summer vibe swaps. They're so much fun to watch all of the unboxings. This was a direct one-on-one swap, and this is the package that I am sending out to Raquel. There were a few requirements for the swap. It was a tag flip, a decorated embellishment box, an ATC card, bag toppers, store-bought goodie, and some sweet treats. Let's dive into what I am sending her. We decided on an ATC card. This is the one that I created. I used the Echo Park Best Summer Ever collection. The theme that I went with was the pineapple and flamingos. I'm sorry that I am trying to find where I should hold my project. I'm using my GoPro camera today because my other camera broke. Not used to filming with it this way, so I apologize for that. Anyways, this is the ATC card that I'm sending Raquel. I used all the papers from that Echo Park collection along with some stickers. I have this cute cabochon sunshine here. I did include some information on the back for her. That is one of the requirements. This is the packaging as well as the topper I'm going to put together after I film. This is my bag topper. Inside this cute summer bag that Sharon gifted me last year is my tag flip. I decided to use a chain to clip everything together, which is why I don't have ribbon on it. My tags were very chunky and I thought that the ribbon would not allow it to flip. Let's take a look. I had this super cute For You acetate tag. It does have a flamingo on there. Again, I did use all the paper from the Echo Park collection along with the chipboard. I added some sunglass cabochons as well as some brad flip-flops and some cute pom-pom trim. I included one of my Summer Vibe dewdrops right there. This is the next tag. This is an envelope that I made. I put some pom-pom trim on the bottom. In the top is a sequin mix that I'm gifting her. I did attempt to make this myself. I'm definitely not great at making sequin mixes. I did try and do the pink for the flamingos, the yellow and the green for the pineapples. I have some sprinkles in there and some tiny stars. I did make a little bag topper for it. This fits right inside the envelope. I made this rosette out of freight paper. I glittered the edges. This was one of the foam pineapples that I found at the dollar store this season, along with a pineapple button. I made this little bow. This is some ephemera from the chipboard. I have this little pineapple that someone gifted me, so I'm re-gifting it. Here's my next tag. I made this pom-pom. I recently picked up the pom-pom maker from the dollar store, and this was the small one. It came out super cute. I added a candy cabochon along with this bow with some of that material from Hobby Lobby, like the leather type material. I cut out this little watermelon. Here's one of my dewdrop, these little sticker flip-flops. I cut this giant strawberry out on my Cricut machine. I added a button along with some green trim and some flamingo dewdrops on the side. And the last tag, I just have one of these bigger tags that I backed a few times to make it sturdy since it's the back tag. I added some pom-pom trim along with some ephemera. We have a little flamingo clip. I added some flowers at the bottom along with a little ladybug. That is my tag flip. That is going to be packaged in this bag along with this bag topper, and I will be putting this all together after my video. In this little box, I have the pineapple holder that was for the blending tools. Inside, I made rosettes, the small and medium size, using paper from the collection. They fit so cute in this little blender box shaped like a pineapple. Thought it would look cute. I added some pink bows in the bottom that I handmade, and the pineapple fits in there, and I did decorate the front. I think it turned out so super cute. For one of my gifts, I am gifting her the new release of my Summer Vibes Dewdrops. We have the ocean blue, the lemon yellow, the pink flamingo, and the lime green. These dollar store bottles fit 25 perfectly. I also made this super cute bag topper. I have a bow bag topper die, and I used the material pleather stuff from Hobby Lobby, and then I just added some crinkle ribbon that matches the dewdrops to the top. I found the perfect cup. It says Summer Vibes on it. On the inside, I filled it with some pineapple chewing gum, pineapple gummy bears. This is the best flavor in my opinion. Some tropical Mike and Ike's. Yummy candy there. They fit so cute in this Summer Vibes cup. Next, I picked up this pouch for her. It has the flamingo and pineapple vibe. On the inside, I am sharing some summer wood-mounted stamps. We have the sunglasses, the rainbow, the girl laying out, and the umbrella. These are so super cute. I'm sharing these adhesive frames. They go with the theme just perfectly. There's a little flamingo in there as well as a pineapple. I picked up this flamingo die. See if I can get rid of that glare. It is a flamingo die. I just made this little bag topper to go on the top. It's super cute. Hopefully she will enjoy using this die. I am also gifting her the super fun Summer Vibes colored rhinestone stickers, as well as this flamingo felt friends. It's like an ornament kit. I thought it was so super cute. Hopefully she will have fun putting that together. All of it is going to stay in this little bag for me to ship off to her. I picked up this super cute pineapple pen. I thought it was so adorable. I did make a little, I don't know if I would call this a dangle, but it says Summer Vibes on it. It has the big pink beads on the end. It's so super cute, along with some flamingo ribbon and a little tulle embellishment on the side to go with the pineapple theme. So these are the bag toppers. We have a flamingo. It says girls just want to have sun. I did sew some crepe paper. I added one of my dewdrops. This one is some vellum and it says hashtag stay cool. I added a popsicle with a little strawberry and one of my lime dewdrops. And also behind there is some crepe paper that I also sewed. I am also hosting a giveaway. You can check out Sharon's channel for her giveaway. I am giving away a set of my dewdrops. It's last month's release. And in order to be entered to win this prize, you have to be in the US only. Sorry, international friends. Be a subscriber. You must be 18 years or older. It is not sponsored. In the comment down below, please use the word candy. I would love to know what is your favorite candy, but please use the word candy. That is the secret word. I also made her these super cute flip-flop embellishments. I think they came out so super fun. I decorated each one with a flower and then I did add my dewdrops to each one. Hopefully she can use these next summer in some of her projects. This is my decorated embellishment box. Let's dig right in. I had so much fun creating this packaging. I did make a sleeve that you could slide the embellishment box in and out of. We have some chipboard ephemera. This says bring on the fun. We have a hashtag summer. We have the rosette with a glittered flamingo, a little bow. I have some ribbon, a tag that says wow, also with a flamingo brad. We have some flip-flop, and then we also have some flamingo and pineapple picks. I did add some pom-pom trim on the bottom. You can pull the little dangle here, which I just have ribbon. I did make a charm dangle that she can either cut apart to use the charms or keep it on there. We have some fruit, flip-flops, a whole bunch of cute summer more things. This is my embellishment box. I do like to make my embellishment boxes by color. I think it's an easy way to start an embellishment box if it might seem to be overwhelming. Here I have red, and I have clips and pom-poms and buttons and charms, and each one all different fun items. We have the red, the orange, the yellow, the blue, the green, the pink, the black, the purple, the silver. This one popped out of the orange. Let's put this one back. In this one, I have a bunch of fruit charms. We have some pom-poms, wooden strawberries. We have a bunch of new beads that I recently hauled from Hobby Lobby. We have some cute spoons, some flip-flop charms, some flowers, and we have these super fun summer beads. This whole box is bows. Here we have some ice cream, cupcake, and some bells. Here we have some iridescent butterflies. We have some flower brads and some brads and flowered eyelets. I included some chains that I use to make my tag flip, as well as some wooden pieces that hopefully she can use in some of her projects. That is my Outgoing swap for Summer Vibes 2024. I hope that my swap partner Raquel loves her package, and I am looking forward to receiving her swap package. Be sure to stop by Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic's channel. She is also hosting this Summer Vibes swap. I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your summer. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.